distinguished guests in the panel, esteemed participants and the organizers. Thanks for giving us the opportunity to present our case here. I would like to thank my previous speaker for starting a trend of short presentations. I hope I can stick to that. Enough has been said yesterday and the forenoon about CSR, so anything more would cause stomach upset. So what I would stick to is what my company is, what are the CSR initiatives in my company, and more so, what I have been told to speak is my initiatives, my company's initiatives in the state of Madhya Pradesh. Basically, my company, which started business in 1975, and today is a 43,000 odd megawatt size company, traveled from the journey of Navratna to Maharatna today. As already told by the speaker in the introduction, we are the largest power generating company in India, meaning thereby when you don't have power, you have a company to blame. But then, we are also the third largest in Asia and the 10th largest in the world. And we are the number one independent power producer in the world. This is our spread. And if you look at the green chunk, the major spread is in Western India, where the state of Madhya Pradesh also is included. So we have special interest in the state of Madhya Pradesh. Yes, we make a lot of money. We made a bit more of money last year, so there's a slight dip this year because somebody paid us 4,000 crores, which was due to us. Then suddenly the profit shot up, so we couldn't make it that much in the previous year. So this gives you an idea of what is likely to be our CSR budgets. We have 40 odd locations where you are located, and I'm only concentrating on the main businesses of ours, where we are the coal business, and we have the largest power plant in India, close to 4,260 megawatts, and that is located in the state of Madhya Pradesh in Vindhyachal. So we are proud of that, and that plant is still on the expansion phase. It will reach close to 5,000 megawatts. These are our upcoming plants in the state of Madhya Pradesh: Gadarwara in the Narsipur district, Bareilly in the Chhatarpur district, and Khargone in the Khargone district, totaling to another 5,000 megawatts. So this should be in place in next 3 or 4 years. Coming to CSR in the company, as said in the previous speakers, it's not charity. And as you can see in the bottom part of the slide, we started the business of CSR way back in 1980 in various forms, and today it is in the form that we see here, both in the R&R and the CSR phase. These are the enablers in the company. We have 3 major initiatives in the community development. First one, ICD. Very few corporates in the country or internationally have this policy, where we have a declared policy of doing community works in areas even where we don't have power plants, only where we will propose to set up a power plant. Mind you, all these policies are hosted on the NTPC website. The R&R policy, which is the mainstay of our land acquisition in various areas of the country, and ultimately the CSR policy. These are the 3 distinct policies we have in the company. And we have a 3-tier structure of corporate, region and the units, and obviously a committee at the apex, which has been recommended in the Companies Act also. A company of the size of NTPC with 40 locations, if I were to show the initiatives and photographs, it would take next 3 hours to show. I wouldn't go to that pain of going through those. This is one single slide to show you the major initiatives of the company, the total villages we touched, and the beneficiaries we touched in the last year, in the previous year, 13-14, gone by. As you can see in the bottom of the slide, we touch close to 500 villages in almost 80 to 90% in each village. Most of them located in the vicinity of our power plants. What we have done so far in MP, I go back to Vindhyachal, the largest power plant, which has approved capacity of close to 4760, and today, as we have seen, it is 4260. And till today, we have spent close to 30 crores in the vicinity of our Vindhyachal power plants. That's a lot of money. Right now, another 50 crores is under implementation right at Vindhyachal. So you can imagine, after we have closed those, close to 80 crores of rupees would have been spent on the community in the vicinity of our largest power plant. The budgets at the upcoming plants, you can see 145 crores at Gadarwara, 0.9 at Barethi, 0.5 at Khargone, and at other locations we have around 17 crores which is ongoing. And at Barethi and Khargone we are at a very nascent stage. So these budgets are initial primary budgets. Major initiatives in the state of Madhya Pradesh: Shivpuri Engineering College, Chanderi Handloom Weavers Construction Blocks. We have a Information and Communication Technology Center in Indore. You must have heard the previous speaker yesterday, Tahir, speaking on our initiative in Mandu. We are restoring the monument there, and in the district of Chhindwara, concrete roads. This is a major initiative, Mandu Fort. This is in a quite dilapidated state. The chhajjas or the shades are all cracking, and the restoration is not an easy job. We need to find out the marble, where it has come from, and we are on the job of restoring it. This is another monument in that complex which we are restoring. The budget for there, NTPC's budget is close to 2.78 crores. Expectations from the Madhya Pradesh government: continue to receive the nice support we received so far. We have some issues in the communities of our new power plants. We expect that the state government would extend support in or setting up the business there, and also assist in getting us all the consents that we need for starting the power business. That's all, my friends. Thank you.